Now off you go, for you shall go to the ball.
She's back at the ball. My name is Graeme O'Neil, and this is the Movie Minute Review on the 2015 version of Cinderella. Well, Disney just gave us a progressive thinking Cinderella in Into the Woods. Here they tell the classic tale exactly as we remember it. That could seem a little bit boring since you know exactly what's going to happen, but this is told with such heartfelt emotion that you can't help but be swept up in it. The strongest element here is the visuals. The sets and the costumes are absolutely stunning. It should easily get Oscar nominations for Best Costume Design, Best Production Design, and Best Hair and Makeup next year. But Lily James does a nice job in the title role as well. While Mia Wasikowska didn't register at all in Alice in Wonderland, Lily has a commanding and charming presence here and doesn't get lost in scenes with Cate Blanchett as the evil stepmother or Helena Bonham Carter as the fairy godmother.
That's better.
My fairy godmother.
Both those actors are having a great time with much more fun roles. Cinderella is a little bit of a bland one-note role, but Lily makes the most of it. The slipper fits here. I give Cinderella a B.